I said I would have just nearly said good morning.
Okay.
Okay, let's have a little check-in. Can I start?
Yes.
I'm feeling a little bit thrown off the center. I was just editing a little video from the party, from the last de-armoring training, and I felt this euphoric kind of vibration. And then I get a feedback from one person who just like was really devastating, and I was like, oh fuck, it felt like a slap in my face, and I'm feeling a little bit off center through that. So
Mm,
check, that's me.
yeah.
Who wanna go next?
Mm. I am good. Not much to say.
Good,
Just
good is good.
yeah.
Oh, okay, then if we check in, I'm completely stressed. I went down. I was having a month, really, I think, taking up the vibration or feeling better, and now I'm really down. And hope this week will finish soon. I have a lot to do, and then flying Monday on Tenerife. So I will be stressed till Monday, I'm sure.
Hmm. Welcome. You, Camelia?
Okay. I feel good. At the same time, I feel very tired because I'm participating promotional campaign. So I have a lot of people that call me to register in my course. So I give a lot of calls. But at the same time, I'm happy because they respond to my communication. I feel that I'm in the transition, something transition to receive or create something beautiful in my life and really be where aligned basically with my desire, what I would like to bring in my life, and then I feel open to know about my desire and make it happen.
Okay. Welcome. Okay, let's dive in. I just change my camera view. Some cables here on my table, obviously. And here we go. There's another picture of me in the corner. Okay, so invitation like always. Lean back, take something in your hands. Go for about 5, 6, 7 minutes or so with the hands meditation. And just let the day and your feelings and everything just be there. So nothing to change as it is, and just to welcome the vibration and again, the invitation is to experiment and to experience your own way. So keep your eyes closed or open as you like. And the invitation is to go straight into the feeling part of your hands. So the feeling part is related to sensing. as you know, it's this tinglish electromagnetic pleasant sensation when you move with the object over your skin or with your skin over the object. So experiment with different things. And at this point, while you still explore, I invite you to slow down your speed by half and slow it down by half again. Just for a few moments, just to realize that you have more nerve ending in your hands than anywhere else in your body except your mouth and your genitals. And when your hands get it, your entire body will get it. That you can be in action for yourself and feel for yourself. That's independent from anybody and anything. We're all wired that way. So when you explore and experiment and you find a spot where it feels just as good as you desire, then just stay there for a moment and just feel. Nothing to give here, nowhere to go, nothing to get. Just being with the sensation. If your mind wanders or feelings coming up, it's all welcome. Bring your attention straight back to this sensation there in your hands. So train that little muscle of awareness and presence just for yourself. Just keep on breathing as much as your lungs need air. Whenever you need to make a sigh or a sound, it's totally up to you. just at this point, just realize that you are in action for yourself. Just move to feel. And the slower you go, the more you will feel. And then, in your own way, slow down your movement till you stop. Stay there for a moment. And just notice what you notice. In your own speed, your own time, I invite you to opening up your eyes, bring your attention back to the screen. And let's have a little noticing and check out round. And everything is welcome, whatever there is. And please unmute yourself. I muted you.
Yeah, thank you.
You can.
Please go for it, Hildegund.
Okay. It's very much going on here, so I just looking forward to like when we are I have to like soon because very it's much going on. So I think I had to make some noise afterwards. But very much my heart and up in my head, and now like in my stomach. So I don't know, but I don't dare like here. But it's like much my heart and up here.
Mm.
So afterward, I will think I will try to breathe more or something. But it was
Mm.
it's much strong.
Mm-hmm. If you would give that sensation of feeling a name, how would you label it?
Just now, I think I hold back because I don't know like. So I said I hold back and feel it at the same time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So therefore, I think I try afterwards to do something.
So the invitation is whenever you're here, just you're totally welcome and free to get loose and just like express whatever there is. So there's no limitation in your system. Whatever comes up is welcome here. So to let you know.
Okay.
Thank you. Camelia or David?
I feel a lot of tension in my throat. I feel like in fact when I was doing the practice, the energy was moving, and I couldn't leave it here because maybe I need to express something, but I have this tendency to say that to contract. So I don't know yet. After the call, I will feel more comfortable to check what is really going on.
Mm.
So this is how I feel right now.
Mm. Welcome.
I noticed that I have many parts contract, and during the hand meditation, I started to feel my shoulder contract, and I start to release. I felt I'm feeling my solar plexus, but also the muscle, the big muscle here.
Diaphragm.
The diaphragm, yeah, is quite blocked, and I have kind of anger but sadness. I have
Mm.
kind of sadness and anger mixed.
Mm-hmm.
Like a heavy, I start to feel this heaviness.
Mm-hmm.
So it's helped me start to feel where I have contraction, where I have contract, and the emotion that are there.
All right. Hmm. Okay, I definitely have regulated my hurt that I felt before the call. So my little ego self got a little bit triggered, kind of just like, oh, that doesn't feel nice. And no, I'm okay again. So I'm happy. So I could literally regulate myself. That feels good. Do you need anything, Hildegun? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm very fine. It's just good. So it's not bad things. It's good. It just was. Um, so I'm very fine. I just had need to also express myself afterwards.
Wonderful. Okay. All right. So thanks for joining today. Love yourself. Have a beautiful day and evening, and looking forward seeing you next time, Monday, and whenever you feel like joining is your call. All right.
Yeah, maybe Monday I will not be present because I'm flying that day.
Yeah, as you choose. You're welcome, and if you can't, then of course not. All right. Take care. Much love. Bye.
Yeah.
Ciao for now.